Former gang members, has your gang ever been tricked by an undercover cop? My gang got infiltrated by a cop named Dave, and saying he tricked us is putting it lightly. Our gang's first initiation ritual involved letting members of the crew hit you hard for 3 minutes with no holding back. If you were still breathing afterward, you were in. After getting punched by 7 guys, he wasn't just breathing, he was laughing. The day Dave earned a nickname, a huge honor in our gang, was when he was the getaway driver. The job meant sneaking into a rival dealer's spot, grabbing his stash and running. As they were driving off, someone started shooting at the car, and Dave took a bullet to the upper arm. Without slowing down, he managed to get our guys back to the house even though he was bleeding badly. Once he got there, our boss and I rushed him to the ER while he held a jacket on the wound. By the next day, he'd made a full recovery. When Dave got back, our leader came up to him with a name tag and pinned it to his shirt, showing he'd reached a really high rank in our group. Dave was now serious business. Seeing him come back with a SWAT team and busting us a week later was a strange, unreal